So I'm gonna do a different vlog today. This is the one part that I don't think people realize is the hardest part, especially when you're a female. So females have a monthly cycle, and the cravings are intense, and I think that's why when I did my previous vlog, video log, that I was starving. I was so hungry. I'm getting ready to go to bed, so I'm tired. The craving is real. So I got home. My husband made mac and cheese, and of course I indulged in mac and cheese, and I am so bloated. And I'm sure it's probably contributing to my fatigue. I wasn't horrible today, but I didn't need the mac and cheese. I didn't need it. I wasn't hungry, but it was there, and I ate it. And when it's the week before the hormones kick in, I get very ravenous, and it's reality. This is reality. I'm not proud of it. I'm kind of beating myself up a little bit. It happens, right? I have to forgive myself, because if I don't forgive myself, then I'll lose sight of what I've been doing and all the hard work I've been putting in. I feel gross. I feel gross after eating it. It satisfied me, I think, emotionally for a minute. But now I'm like, ugh, about it, The struggle is real. The struggle is real. And I had a moment where I let the emotion and the craving and the idea that I was hungry get the better of me. It's not easy. It's not easy. So understand that you're gonna have hiccups in the road, right? I'm having a hiccup, and I'll bounce back from it. I know I will. I always do. It's a struggle, and I'm hoping to have a better day tomorrow. Of course, it was my final meal, and I'm getting ready to go to bed. No bueno. Anyway, no, you're not alone with your struggles. It's okay to struggle. Acknowledge it. Accept it. Learn from it. Move on. Like I said, it wasn't bad today, but I didn't eat the mac and cheese. I was good. It's one meal, one moment. I just have to focus on tomorrow now, because today's already done. So with that being said, have a good night all. Know that you're not alone in the bariatric struggles of changing habits. You're not alone. All right. I gotta go to bed. I have to be up early. That's it. I'll share with you next time. Peace.